right? So guys, this is a revision class for trigonometry, है ना? Right? So we will revise all the concepts. So please keep quiet for, obviously you are quiet because I muted you guys. Superpower. So you have to just listen for 30 minutes. Okay? I'll cover all the concepts. Then I will discuss your individual concepts. Make sense? Okay? Right? So 30 minutes, just listen to me. Okay? Right. And no random chats and just message to me only. Don't message to everyone. Okay? Akash, message to me only. Okay? Chalo. So the chapter was trigonometry, right? So when we talk about trigonometry, है ना, think about it. It is about the relationship, or basically the whole chapter revolves around right angle triangle, right? The whole chapter revolves around right angle triangle. Now, when we talk about right angle triangle, we already knew two things, right? Till our 7th grade, 8th grade, even 9th grade, we know only two things. First is your, tell me, Pythagoras theorem. What was Pythagoras theorem? So Pythagoras theorem said that, okay, Pythagoras theorem said that the relationship between the three sides, okay, which is base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse is given by a formula which is p square plus b square is equal to h square, right? है ना? So when you talk about perpendicular and base, the first thing that we have to remember is what is the reference angle, है ना? I cannot say that any of the side is perpendicular or any of the side is base, okay? Because whenever you talk about perpendicular or base, you have to ask, sir, which angle is the reference angle? For example, if angle C, which is theta, is your reference angle, okay, right? If angle C is your reference angle, then the opposite side will be what? AB. Okay, the opposite side will be AB. So this will be a perpendicular, right? So I can say that, sir, according to theta, the reference angle, AB will be your opposite, and this is your perpendicular. And BC is the adjacent side, right? BC is the adjacent side. This is the base. Now, irrespective of angle, hypotenuse is going to be same. Hypotenuse is going to be AC only. Now, if I talk about angle alpha, if I talk about angle alpha, which is angle A. Now, for angle alpha, which side will be my base? Now, you can message. Which side will be my base? For angle alpha. Very good, Anya. Very good. Tanushri, one. Yes, correct. Base. Ananya, Sinchana, base. You two, base. Base, not perpendicular. Base for angle alpha. Yes, base will be AB. Got it? Yes, Kartikya. है ना? Right? Base will be AB. So for angle alpha, which is angle A, right? Base will be what? Base will be AB. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Yes. Okay. And what about BC? BC will be what? Perpendicular. Yes or no? So BC is perpendicular. Awesome. है ना? चलो ठीक है सर, ये तो हमको समझ में आ गया. So I guess now I understood the concept about perpendicular and base. Yes or no? है ना? Yes or no? Yes. Right. Okay. So this is the relationship between the sides. Now there's one more thing that we know about the angles. So we know that the angle sum of any triangle, the angle sum of any triangle, the sum of all the angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree, which means alpha plus theta plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? So I can say that, sir, if we can transpose this 90 degree to right hand side, I will get a relationship alpha plus theta is basically equal to 90 degree. So this is the second relationship. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? So these two things we already know. These two things, or these are the only two things that we know in case of right angle triangle. Okay. Now, before moving to the next concept, we should know, sir, what are the angles? I hope all of us know what are the angles. Angle. So till our normal class, we just know one unit of angle. That is your degree centigrade. Yes or no? Sorry, degree, not centigrade, it's temperature, right? That's degree. And now, but there's second unit of angle. There's second unit of angle, which is called as radian. Everyone please focus over here, है ना? Right? Okay, my bad. Right. Okay, the second unit of angle is called as radian. Radian. Okay, so till now we used to study, sir, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, right? So what is this radian? Radian is just the other unit of angle. You know, so how this radian is defined? So many of you had this doubt, okay, in the first time when we studied what is this radian. So radian is nothing but radian is just a unit, another unit of angle. Now obviously if it's another unit, the definition is different, right? What is the definition? Okay, so the definition says that, right? Definition says that, okay, radian is the angle. Radian is the angle subtended by the arc, of any circle, right? It is the ratio of the length of the arc subtended by, tell me, a circle to its radius. Okay, right? Suppose I'm having a circle, you know, and we know what is arc. So this red line is the length of the arc, which is L, and this R is the radius. So the angle which is subtended, theta, is the ratio of this L and this R. Okay, now this angle is called your radian, है ना? This angle, this unit of angle will be called as your radian. So when this angle will be 1, tell me, when this theta will be 1? You can message Akshit, Brinda, Kishore, Purvi, Rupa, Shravya, when this will be 1? Yes, very good Shravya, very good Ragini, right? And now think about it. When length will become equal to radius, correct? So sir, if the length of the, yes, both are same. Very good Tanushree 2, very good Tanushree 1. And now, sir, as the definition, if the angle when the length of the arc is equal to its radius, it is called as 1 radian. Correct, Akshat. है ना? Right? So we know that. So theta is equal to L by R. So if L is equal to R, right? R by R will be 1, which is 1 radian. Okay. Now, we then understood this concept and applied it to find the relationship between degree and radian. So what we did, so we know that, okay, sir, for a circle, right, for a semicircle, what is the angle? Tell me, for a semicircle, what is the angle? In degrees. Sir, for semicircle in degrees, it is 180 degree. Very good. And for complete circle, it is 360 degree. Right? Okay, so we already know this. We know this. Okay. So, do we know the circumference of semicircle and circumference of complete circle? Yes, we do know this. We do know. है ना? Right. So I can say that, sir, circumference of complete circle is 2 pi r, and circumference of semicircle is pi r. Pi r. है ना? So I can say that, sir, for semicircle, theta, when you talk about theta, it will be what? Length of the arc by the radius. Length of the arc is pi r by r. So r will get cancelled, we will get pi radian. So pi radian is also semicircle and 180 degree is also semicircle. So can I say that's a pi is equal to 180 degree, pi radian is equal to 180 degree? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Yes, Tanush, I'll just tell this again. Now, so for semicircle, the length of the arc is pi into r. Yes or no? Pi into r. This one. Okay. And the angle in radian is given by length of the arc by radius. So pi r by r, right? So if I'm saying pi r by r and r will get cancelled. I will be left with pi only. है ना? I will be left with pi only. ठीक है? Got it? है ना? So I can say that, sir, pi is the, tell me, pi is the what? Value of the angle, है ना? Pi is the value of the angle in what? Radian. ठीक है? So in degree centigrade, it is 180 degree. ठीक है? समझ में आया? So I can say that, sir, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. है ना? Any issues? Yes or no? Okay. So, sir, this is for semicircle. For full circle, it is also correct, right? 2 pi radian is 360 degree. है ना? So, if I know the relationship, I can use unitary method. है ना? I can use unitary method. 45 degree I can find, 30 degree I can find. Okay, right? So, for example, when you talk about 45 degree, 45 degree, है ना? So we know that, sir, pi is 180 degree. Pi is 180 degree. 45 is what? 180 by 4. So divide both side by 4. Pi by 4 is 180 by 4, which is 45 degree. Yes or no? So pi by 4 is 45 degree. Clear? Guys, focus here. Okay. Right. So anyone have a doubt in this? Anyone have a doubt in this? बताओ यहाँ तक किसी को दिक्कत है? Okay, chalo. So this is basic about the angles. So now I know what are Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem, right? What is the relationship between the angles of a right angle triangle and what is radian? Okay, now think about it, right? We know these things. Okay, sir. If one side is 4, if one side is 4 and the other two side is not given, but the angle is given, right? Can I find the other two side? No. Yes or no? Can I find it? Tell me. No, not yet, right? Hana, that's why we need another tool, which is your trigonometry. So what is the trigonometry? Trigonometry is basically an operator, you can say, or a function, you can say, which relates side with angle. Hi, Anna, right? Daksh, Niketan, Madhur. Shrey is not here. Shrey is here. Shrey is again absent. Okay. Anyone have a doubt in this? Right. So what this function tells us? Tell me what this function tells us. Okay, sir, if I say that one of the side is 4 and the angle is given. Okay, so I have to relate the angle with this side. This can be done. This can be done by some special functions. These special functions is called your trigonometric functions, right? Same as plus, minus, log. I hope all of you know log, right? अभी log सबको पता है ना? Yes or no? All of us know log now, right? Both homeschool 1, homeschool 2 know log now, है ना? So whenever we talk about these kind of functions, right? There's some specific functions, and these specific functions are called as trigonometric functions. So first function is sine. Sine Now here I'm taking this angle as reference, so I will just take as sine theta. Okay, now sine theta, so we are relating angle with the two sides. Remember this, whenever we talk about trigonometric ratio, we relate one side with, sorry, one angle with two sides. Now here, if I'm taking this theta as the angle, right? Okay, for this theta, which is your perpendicular, which is your base, tell me everyone. For this, which is your perpendicular, which is your base? Tell me guys, everyone. Correct. BC perpendicular, AB base. Clear है ना? This is clear? Right. So sine is defined. Sine is defined. ठीक है? ये क्यों होता है कैसे होता नहीं वो define है उसका definition ही है ना? So sine is defined in such a way that it will relate perpendicular and base. It is a ratio. Sine theta is the ratio of perpendicular by base. Okay, right? Others, it's fine, you just listen, right? I don't want lots of noise because it is a revision session. Okay, right? Now, when you talk about cos theta is a relationship between base and hypotenuse. Okay, base and hypotenuse. And then we have tan theta. So tan theta is the relationship between perpendicular and base. So this is defined. This is the definition of these three ratios. Okay, this is the definition of these three ratios. Just let me change this setting. Just give me a minute, guys. Right. Okay. So I'm unmuting you guys, but do not create lots of noise. I'll mute again. Okay. So till this point, anyone have any doubt? Okay. Right. Till this point, anyone have any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir, no doubt.
Cool.
No doubt, sir.
So now sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. I hope all of you understood. Yes or no?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when you talk about
Yes,
cos,
sir.
is it cos into theta?
No,
Let us ask.
No, sir, no.
No, because
No.
this is the definition. Yes or no? Why I'm asking this, because some people, you know what they do this. If we have x into cos x, right, they do cos x square. Is this correct thing to do?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is pap. This is pap. You know, 11th students do this thing. Think about it.
और 11th
Right.
के स्टूडेंट्स ने किए हैं
हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, 11th स्टूडेंट्स ने ये सब गलती किया है. ठीक है? So
सर
this is
किया
pap.
है इसमें
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, वही बोल रहा हूँ कि
Not possible, sir.
right? No, so you should know, sir, cos theta, right, is different, है ना? जैसे देखो log वाला
Yes.
एग्जांपल था ना, log
Sir,
वाला,
cos theta और cos x same है ना, sir?
हाँ, x और theta both are the angle, right?
वही ना?
वेरिएबल्स
सर तो
हाँ,
कैसे
ठीक है.
मिस्टेक किया सर ऐसा?
देखो, when you talk about log x, so x into log x, is it same as log x square?
No, sir.
नो सर नो
The
No.
impossible, sir.
Right?
नो
ऐसा
सर पाप
नहीं, लोग क्या करते हैं, log को, सर log को कॉमन ले लिया, x मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है.
नहीं सर ऐसे नहीं होता
ठीक है? Okay, right? So I hope all of you understood this.
सर
So
आप
these,
एक बार बोलो ना सर, पाप का काम है करके.
ठीक है, so ये तीनों क्या है, ये तीनों जो basic functions है. Now obviously their reciprocal is also defined. For example, sine, reciprocal of sine, ulta. Reciprocal means ulta, right? So reciprocal of sine is what? Cosec. ठीक है?
cosec
Cosec, right? So reciprocal of sine is,
sin cosec
right, cosec, है ना? So reciprocal मतलब क्या, p by h की जगह h by p हो गया.
ph by p हाँ सर
Yes. In the same of reciprocal of cos is sec,
sec sec
Next, sir.
right?
Second.
So b by h की जगह h
सर
by b.
p है सर b by h by b हो जाता है
Correct. And reciprocal of tan is cot.
सर obviously cot
Cot,
cot theta
Yes.
Cotton.
Awesome. Chalo.
sir perpendicular by base is equals to
base by perpendicular. Right. So if you see this, sir, if we divide sine theta and cos theta, what we will get?
Sir,
Sir, tan theta.
sir,
Tan
tan.
theta. Very good. Awesome. है ना? Sir, if I divide sine theta by cos theta, hypotenuse will get cancelled. I'll get tan theta. So this is
Tan
one.
theta.
Yes.
Identity.
Okay. So this is the first concept about trigonometry. So everyone is clear about the first concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Jia, Akshit,
Yes,
Dhruv.
sir.
Dhruv, you are cleared?
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Sir,
Daksh.
blue?
No, sorry,
Blue
Daksh.
Oh, that's okay. sir.
Sorry, Daksh. Daksh.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, okay. Rupa, Sandhya,
Yes, sir.
clear na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, awesome.
Yes,
So
sir.
इसमें सवाल कैसे आएगा? I'll ask Arav. Are you there, Arav?
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of problems can be asked in this concept, Arav?
It can be asked like they can give us T and H and ask us to find B.
Yes, but that we can find using Pythagoras theorem also, na?
Yeah. Or maybe they can just give us theta and B and ask us to find H and P.
Yes. So that is from the next concept, but that's correct, है ना? Right? So what they can do, they can give theta and p and find the other two, or they can give the value of sine theta and ask you to find cos theta and tan theta, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Okay, so is this clear? So what kind of problem is asked? Think about it, है ना? If you think from the teacher's point of view, na, right? So what kind of question can be asked? Think about it. It's a totally different way to solve the problems. Okay, so I can say that, okay, sir, right? I know this concept. I have only two type of problem statement. First, my value sine theta might be given. Sine theta might be given, and I need to find cos theta, tan theta. Yes or no? Right? I can do that. है ना? Chalo. Now, the second, the value of angle. Okay, sir, as Arav said, sir, angle ka value diya rahega. The value of angle is given, है ना? And I want to find perpendicular base if only one of the, tell me, if only one of the length is given. So in order to do that, I need to know the value of ratios, हाँ या ना? Tell me, yes or no, right? Yes, I need to find the values. So we have to remember some values. For example, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, right? So we have these 5 angles. We just have to focus on these 5 angles, right? So I told you the shortcut method. Shortcut method was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, divide by 4.
4 by 4.
है ना? So the value of sine theta, right? So what the value of sine 0 degree will become 0, sine 30 degree will be 1 by 2, sine 45 degree will be 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree is 1.
1.
Okay, right. Now for cos, I said reverse the order. Cos 0 degree, 1, ulta. Cos 30 degree,
3 by 2.
root 3 by 2.
Root
Hey,
2 by
sir,
2.
sorry, sir.
Cos 45 degree, 1 by root
Root
2.
1 by
root
2.
Right. And cos 60 degree, 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is 0.
0.
0.
Yes. Tan 30 degree, sorry, tan theta. Tan 0, 0.
0.
Divide करना.
30 degree,
1 by 4. 1 by 3.
1 by
1
root.
by root 3.
Right. Tan 45 degree, 1. Tan 60 degree,
1.
tan
Root
90 degree,
3.
undefined.
Infinity.
Infinity.
सर मैं स्क्रीन देखे बिना बोल रहा हूँ सर.
हाँ, very good. ठीक है. So अब देखो examples सबको याद रहेगा. Examples याद
हाँ
रहेगा.
सर, हाँ सर.
है ना? Right. So these are the first two concepts.
Yes,
Right. We
sir.
will discuss the problems later, but these are the first two concepts. Okay.
सर और एक आइडेंटिटी था ना सर.
Wait.
Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 for any
Yes.
angle.
Got it. So that we are going to do next. So the next concept was the basic identity, है ना? Right? So if we see the value cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? If you put the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, right, we will get t square by h square plus b square by h square, which is,
It is only if the angle is same.
yes, it is only possible when the angle is same, right? है ना? This
Yes,
is your
sir.
identity. This is your one identity, right? है ना? Okay. Now, the concept of unit circle, before talking about the concept of unit circle, right? I'll just discuss the remaining identity only that we have
The
discussed.
time हो गया sir. Count.
Wait.
sir.
It will take one more class, I know, right? That's why I just want to discuss the identity. So sec square theta minus tan square theta, in the same way, it will become 1. है
Yes,
ना?
sir. 1, sir.
And cosec square theta minus cot square theta will also become
1.
right. Got it? Yes or no? Okay.
Sir, easy, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. Anyone have a doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Cool. hai. So, 'guys, please wait. Please wait. It's my bad internet. Three seconds. Last 1 second. Okay. Time's up. Right. So something happened. Just give me a minute, guys. My internet is being horrible right now.